Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 7th, and this is my PM recap of gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, we did end up making that next push down on gold, and this really looks like a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5. Seems like a very clear five-wave downtrend. Now, just because you see five waves doesn't mean that it has to go up and take out the high of wave 4, but normally when you do see five waves like this, normally price will go up and take out the high of wave 4. I would expect this first push down to be a wave A, and if it does go up and take out the high of wave 4, then I would expect this to be a crutch into the five waves down for like a wave B, and then eventually probably down again for a wave C for an ABC crutch and on the higher time frames. I still think this is going to go up eventually, but I think we're likely to correct for at least a week, maybe 2 weeks before we actually do continue the uptrend. So keep an eye out for this wave B. Just like I said, though, be careful because just because you see five waves doesn't mean that it has to take out the high of wave 4, but it definitely normally does. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.